Morning guys, welcome back to the channel. Well, we've got quite a nice day today, sun's out, so we're going to have a little go at removing this front bumper off the Range Rover. So bear with us and let's have a go. Okay, first things first, I think we need to remove this front grille, which is actually cracked here, which is a bit of a shame because we do want to try and keep this grille. It's quite like it. It does need a bit of paint though, so we'll see if we can save that. We also need to remove these headlights and indicators as well, because the indicators are broken and we've got some more on the way. They should be with us about Tuesday. And yeah, this one's cracked as well. So right, okay, let's get this grille off. Okay, that's the bumper off. I think the only thing I need off this bumper is the number plate surround, so we'll get that off, and I'm going to take the parking sensors out just in case we've got a defective one or two on the new bumper. Some of them are missing anyway, so we'll see if we can get them out and we'll save them. there we go guys, the bumper's off and the headlights are out and the indicators are out. Whew. Yeah, that was a nice little job. A few things to do. I think we need to do get this all jet washed down and get some of this dust and yeah, little bits of corrosion there. We'll get that top touched up with some anti-rust, some protection like Waxall or something similar. But yeah, it's looking good. Little bit of dent in there on that crash bar, so we'll get that sorted out as well. But yeah, pleased with that. Pleased with that. That looks good. Very good. Right, okay, I think we'll have a tidy up for today and well, might have another go. I don't know. We'll have a tidy up first and see if we can do a little bit more out here, I think, because it is such a nice day today. Right, as usual guys, if you like what we're doing, please give us a thumbs up. And if you don't like what we're doing, give us a thumbs up. But if you got any comments, drop them in the box below and we'll look forward to reading them. Okay, take care guys, see you on the next video.